Welcome back, everybody! This is our first groove drill, and drills help us bring the groove to the move. Remember, a step without a groove is just a step. So, think of it as glue that brings everything together and helps you stay on beat.
In this video, we'll explain the base concept that applies to all the drills and steps in the course. So don't skip this part. Give it good amount of love and attention. Alright?
Get ready!
In the first one, we'll cover the bounce. The bounce up. It has two positions. Position 1, knees bent. Position 2, standing up. When you stand up, don't fully straighten your knees. Keep them softly. They're never too straight. Think of it like this. The bent knee position is a quick preparation for the main movement, which is standing up. The accent is when we straighten up. Imagine there is a roof above your head, and when you straighten up, try to touch it with all your body. Let's try it together, slowly at first, starting from the bent position. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Down, up, reaching for the roof. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add our hands to it. Swing your arms in opposite directions, slightly twist your upper body, and extend your shoulders. The feeling should be similar to running fast but relaxed. So focus on relaxation as much as you can. You can form a fist or you can keep your hand free, whatever feels comfortable to you. Let's do it together with the legs. Bend your knees and we will go super slow with it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. I bet you're feeling awkward right now.
Just a little bit.
But trust me, it will pay off in the future. Try to chill and relax here and enjoy this movement. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. For our last drill, we'll be moving our head from side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't have to do a full turn. It can be as big, as small as you wish. As simple as that. Now, together with the legs. Bend your knees and off we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one more, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's it for explanation. If it was hard, do this part again. Don't give up on this.
You got this.